Oh, oh yeah. Wow. Welcome back, hungry people. I hope you've been enjoying life. I know it's kind of crazy out there right now, but you know what? We still got to eat. So, I got a great thing that came in the mail from Miranda. She does woodworking. I'll have the description down below of how to see her website and maybe buy some stuff. She has unbelievable stuff. She's very talented in this thing. I'll give you a quick glance of what it looks like. She just took my logo and made a cutting board out of it. So it is pretty sweet. She did an excellent job. The person that made this logo, guy named Ryan, he's an excellent man. Man, the dude is very talented artistically. I'll also have his logo, or not logo, but website below. So, this episode, a couple episodes ago, we had all the dry aging. We had the dry aged beef, the pork, and the bacon. Well, today we are going to do the pork chops. I can't wait for this. We're going to sous vide it. The sous vide is getting ready behind me. We're going to have that at 145 for just 1 hour. And then we're going to finish it outside at the grill. We'll kind of show you the grills that we have. Just to give you a look of what it is. This was a pork loin that was dry aged. We cut it, got all the dead stuff off. Now the difference between that and an actual pork chop, this was an actual pork chop. Look at the different color. Now if we had left this more than 14 days, these would have been the same color as this, and it actually turns into almost like red meat. It's really weird, but that's the way the difference is. Should still taste the same kind of meat and everything. So we got a plate full over there. All we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of pepper on it. We're going to salt it. And then we are going to put some, got some hot barbecue killer barbecue sauce. So we're just going to sprinkle these gingerly with these. These will be mine. We have some Tamer barbecue sauces down for my other family members that don't like spicy, but make sure you get it nice and good. Nothing worse than having barbecue pork without any seasoning whatsoever. If you are on a diet or on the Weight Watchers, this rub here for this pork chop will be probably about 2 points if you're adding up points or whatever, but not too bad. So that's all we do. As we get those nice and good, we'll Ziploc bag these together. We'll keep them separate from one rub to another. We'll pop them in there here in a little bit. We'll get this cooking process started. Alrighty, so we're back. We got about a half an hour left on the pork chops here in the sous vide. Meantime, I wanted to make up some potatoes that we can eat with the pork chops. We got those little potatoes. I'm not sure what they're called offhand. What I did was chop them up into fours. We put them into a bowl. We added garlic powder. We had our own Italian parsley that we dehydrated and made it into our own seasoning. We got the red crushed peppers just to give it a little kick. And then we used the barbecue rub that we used on the pork chops. We sprinkled it on top. This is kind of what they look like now. So all we're going to do is put these in the oven at 425 degrees for about an hour until they're soft or done. We'll put them on a cake pan or cookie sheet and just put them in there. Like I said, we used virgin olive oil, just lightly. Put a little bit of oil on them. That way everything sticks to them and it cooks. You get a nice little brown crust on it. So we're going to pop those in when our oven's ready. We'll have the pork chops here out in 30 minutes. Be grilling. By the time we get that all done, those will be done. Everything will be done at the same time, hopefully, if I did everything right. So we'll see you in a bit. All right, here we are with the final product. Man, I hope you guys try this stuff out. It looks amazing, smells amazing, and I know it's amazing. So I got a couple of the potatoes here, totally done. Took about 35 minutes-ish in the oven at 425. So nice and tender. The red pepper flakes gives it a little cook. Yeah, I'm a man that loves potatoes. If you love potatoes, try that out. So here we are with the pork. Like I said, we sous vide it for 1 hour, put it on the grill. It has tons of moisture in it. I know that camera ain't gonna show it. Has tons of moisture in it. So here comes the flavor, baby. Oh yeah. Wow. That has a lot of flavor. Oh man, that's good. That is real good. The barbecue with it, man. My mouth is still watering with the flavor in it. Excellent, excellent flavor. I would recommend to dry age your pork chop. Man, that makes that pork come alive. A lot more flavors in it. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Make sure you subscribe. It should be up there, one of those places. Remember, down below will always be the recipes and the things that I use, and the links to the people that hooked me up with the cool logo and the cutting board. God bless. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your time with your family. And above all, feed your belly. Later.